configure Hotspot server in MikroTik router. Okay, so let's see. So before going to configure the MikroTik router, first we am login on Binbox application. Okay, so this is our MikroTik router. So I'm just login here and connect. So because I am resetting the whole configuration before configuring the hotspot, so it asking for create a new password. So I'm just creating a new password for now. After that, I will configure the hotspot server in the MikroTik router. Okay, so now start. So we have a 6 step to configure the MikroTik router as a hotspot server, correct? So let's see. So these are the 6 steps. These are the 6 steps. So first step is assign IP address and subnet masks to the LAN port. Okay. So we will configure the hotspot as per this sequence, correct? So let's see. So before going, so first step is that configure assign IP address and subnet mask to the LAN port. So in my case, I have a LAN port. In my case, I am creating a LAN port, LAN Ethernet 2 as a LAN port, and Ethernet 1 is my WAN port. So I am configure the subnet IP address and subnet marks for LAN port. So just click on plus icon and I'm configure the subnet mask or address here. So just like I'm setting 10.10.10.0 1/24 and select the interface, LAN interface. So in my case Ethernet 2 is a LAN interface, so I'm selecting here and apply and OK. So first step is completed. Okay, so another step is that set the DNS server if required. So I am checking that in my case DNS is already configured, but for you I will tell you how to configure the DNS. So like this, click on server and type 8.8.8 and click on drop down and set one more 4.2.2.2 and apply and OK. So second step is completed. Now third step, we have add the pool for hotspot client. Okay, so going to the add the pool, going to the IP and click on pool and click on plus icon and add the pool. So I'm just naming of the pool hotspot pool and the IP pool is 10.10.10.2 to 10.10.10.20 and apply OK like this. The fourth step, configure DHCP server on the LAN port to assign IP address to the hotspot client. So just go to the IP and click on DHCP server and click on the plus icon or configure the DHCP server. Click on the plus icon plus and I'm naming, why you can choose the default name or you can change. I'm just go with the default and select the interface as our LAN interface is Ethernet 2. Then click on address pool. So address pool as we have created for hotspot pool, selected here and apply and OK. Correct. Then 4 step is done. Now I'm go to the step 5. Step 5 is configure the firewall rule to allow hotspot traffic as a masquerade rule. So for creating the firewall rule, I'm just going to the IP and select firewall and click in net. By default is showing is net and click on plus icon. Then go to the journal and chain is source net and source address is 10.10.10.0/24, which I have already created, and apply, and action is Masquerade. Apply. Okay. Now check it again. The action is Masquerade and source net is this. Apply and okay. Now it's done. After that, we will go to the step 6. Configure the hotspot setting to use the LAN port. For hotspot configuration, now is the main part. I'm going to the IP and go to the hotspot. Then select the hotspot setup. Okay. So here is the select the interface to run hotspot. So I am run the hotspot on Ethernet 2, which is our LAN port. So I'm just go to the select Ethernet 2 here and I click on next. The local address pool is already selected here, but you can disconnect, you can select the Masquerade network and click next. The address pool network. So address pool we have assigned in the hotspot pool is automatically selected here. Then click next. Certificate none. IP SMTP server next. So DNS server is by default creating the public DNS server. If you want to change it here, then you can change it. Otherwise, you can continue on next, or you can add it one more 8.8.8.8 and next. DNS name, as I'm our website name is explore.it-issues.com. So I'm selected here .com or .in. You want to create anything. So I'm just clicking .in. Next. And here is a create a local hotspot user. So I'm just creating the hotspot user. So user 1, password 12345. Okay, and next. So this is setup is completed successfully in MikroTik side. Now I'm going to my Windows machine to access the hotspot network. Okay. So this is our Windows 10 machine here. So now you see this, you know internet access here. Now I'm go to the Explorer, and sometime it's by default coming the page or not. So I'm just logging internet hotspot, which is our explorit.in. It takes some time actually, or if not resolved, then we need to restart. Or we need to release and renew, because this is my another virtual machine, so it's slow. So wait for a while minute. Because the cache memory is not running, so I'm just restarting my machine. Wait a minute to our machine is restarting. I know it's taking some time, so because this is another virtual machine in my virtual box, so I'm just restarting. Meanwhile, I'll check all the setting is fine or not. So all the setting is fine. Interface is also fine. Now wait for the coming our machine or not. So once come, I will show you how it is run or not. After this video, I will increase the some memories for this machine, so we will configure later. But for now, I'll show you how to use hotspot. Okay, now it's coming. So I'll just say you the IP address getting or not. So go to the CMD bar, CMD command prompt. See this background, its page is automatically open because the cache memory is dissolved after the reboot. So this page is coming as per I told you, the MikroTik Hotspot page. The please log in on MikroTik Hotspot page, correct? So I'll show you the CMD also to check the IP address received the same range or not. But it's typically slow. Sorry, due to some cold, my IP config. See this. So 10.10.10.20 IP address and gateway is 1. Same receive. Now I'm trying to log in with our user which I created, user1 and password 12345. Correct. Now connect and log in. So it's login. You are logged in and you got the internet access hopefully. Yeah, now you are able to access Google or internet successfully in this machine after login. Our user 1 and you are able to ping also public DNS here. See this, it's slow, that's why you got this type of error. Pinging and Google is working fine. So that's it in this video. In next video I will tell you how to create a script to auto remove user from the hotspot in MikroTik. So please subscribe my channel for more video and like and comment. Thank you so much. Jai Shri Shyam.